Ndewo, ndị nke m. You want to learn Igbo words starting with we. Wednesday. Wednesday means Wednesday. 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 Window. Window is window. 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 Munye. Munye means to pour something. Munye, pour. Munye, pour. Wayo means fraud. Ọ na-eme wayo, fraud or cheat. Wayo. Wa means to break a knot or to break something. Wire. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.